Hey everyone, for Walkthrough Wednesday, I'm going to show you a 2022 Keystone Passport 3352 bunkhouse. So, around 7,500 pounds, roughly 38 foot long, and sleeps 8 to 10 people. So, got a lot going on, and bath and a half. Yeah, that's the other big thing about this floor plan. Outside kitchen, second access to the bathroom back here. Here is your main entry. It's been a while since we've had one of these in stock. Last year it was the 3351. They did some modifications to the floor plan, all upgrades in my opinion. Right here in the entryway, they kind of positioned this at an angle so it's not out in your way, and then also added a actually really good size pantry. The bathroom is a lot like some of our Outbacks. It's kind of a pass-through bathroom, so it does give you a much larger vanity as well as a larger shower. So no corner shower or anything like that. Lots more room in there for you. And then master is up here up front. This one also has 2 air conditioners. So something this size, you definitely want that. Definitely help keep the coach cool. Coming out here, you do have a trifold sofa sleeper, so you could sleep someone here as well as the dinette area, which conforms down. So comfortably sleep about 4 people out here. So if you have the bedroom, a lot of people out here sleeping, and the bunk room, that extra half bath is going to be really helpful because they can either utilize the master or the half bath right here. So no one's having to traipse clear across the coach, just use the bathroom. That storage on the wall over there was another thing that they added. Bathrooms are so limited with drawers and things, so now you have a designated area to keep toilet paper, towels, all that good stuff that we all need. This can be more designated to people in the bunk room because you do have that large pantry over there. Got lots of drawers and even more storage back here. So if you're going to use this for toys or baseball gloves and stuff like that, they at least still have a spot for clothes in that other pantry. This bunk flips up out of the way, so a rainy day or an evening where they're just wanting to watch TV, they have plenty of room and can comfortably do so. All right. MSRP on this one is $54,900 with all of this incentives included. Brings the price down to $43,999. which is $349 a month with 10% down. So come in and check it out or give us a call.